Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping industries worldwide: labor automation. In many sectors, machines and AI are starting to replace human workers, especially in jobs that involve repetitive or predictable tasks. But which jobs are at risk and which ones are safe? Let's take a look. In the retail and customer service sector, we've already seen a shift. Supermarket cashiers, they're being replaced by self-checkout machines and mobile apps. Shop assistants, partially replaced by self-service kiosks and online shopping powered by AI. Even stockers are being replaced by robots in big chains. And in gas stations, almost every station is now self-service. In some places, you can even pay directly from your car with an app. In hospitality, robots and screens are replacing waiters and cashiers in fast food joints. And in some chains, cooking tasks are now automated with machines and robots. Call centers, AI chatbots and virtual assistants are handling customer inquiries. In logistics and warehouses, robots like the ones Amazon uses are doing the heavy lifting. Banking services. Tellers are being replaced by advanced ATMs and mobile apps. Basic administrative tasks like data entry and invoicing are being automated by RPA software. But here's the big question: which jobs aren't being automated easily? Well, creative jobs like design and strategic writing, professions requiring complex human interaction like therapy and education, and even hands-on work that's not repetitive, such as electrical work or renovations, are still safe for now. So, what do you think? Will automation take over even more jobs in the future, or are we just scratching the surface? What kinds of jobs do you think are safe from automation? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it interesting. See you next time.